Hi everyone! Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Juliet and today I'm going to show you how to bake some really easy 3-ingredient cookies. Yes, you heard me right. All it is 3 ingredients. They're gluten-free, no flour needed, they're super easy and more importantly, really delicious. So this is a great thing to bake while we're all in lockdown. You don't need a lot, so I'll show you how simple they are to make. So I have 175 grams of golden caster sugar. If you don't have golden caster sugar, you can use any sugar. You could use brown sugar or just regular caster sugar. And I have 200 grams of peanut butter. So you can use crunchy or smooth, or you can use any type of nut butter. So I'm just going to plop that into my sugar. And these are a great recipe because you don't need any special equipment. You don't even need a rolling pin for these. Everyone can make them. You can add salt to this if you like, but I've actually used some salted peanut butter, so I'm not going to. So the first thing you need to do is just bash it all together with a wooden spoon. I'm just mixing it together with my wooden spoon until it all becomes one type of doughy mixture. Now add an egg into your bowl. You'll see that suddenly it will come together into one lovely dough. There we go, so that's all come together in one gorgeous peanut buttery mix. So now it's time to roll them into balls and get them on the baking tray. So you kind of need a piece about this big, like a big sort of cherry tomato piece. So I'm just going to get these out. And just roughly make sure I have equal sized pieces. So my last one, so that's 8 on the tray. And now what you need to do is just grab a fork, just a normal fork. I'm just going to push them down and just do a little kind of crisscross like this. There we go, so my first batch of 8, so I'll just pop that over here and do my second tray. There we go, so that's 16 delicious peanut butter cookies. Now, you can actually freeze them when they're in this form. So you can just wrap them, a bit of paper in between each one, pop them in the freezer, keep them there, and whenever you fancy a little snack, you can literally bake them straight from frozen, just do it at the same temperature for 2 or 3 more minutes. So these need to bake on 160 degrees fan, 180 normal oven, for about 12 minutes. And then leave them to cool on the tray for about 10 minutes and then they'll be ready to eat. So I'm just going to pop these in the oven and then be back to show you my lovely baked goods. So there you have it, look at these beauties. 3-ingredient peanut butter cookies. Now I'm going to pop these in a jar. These will last for a few days, but I think it's only right that I give them a little taste. They are super delicious. I can't believe they haven't got any flour in the recipe. You really must try them. And if you do, I would love to see pictures and we can share your pictures. So use the hashtag #StayHomeGetCooking and show us what you've been baking. Thanks for watching. Bye.